Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2013 Honda Odyssey. Now this is an 8-passenger minivan in white driving on 18-inch wheels. Now, some of the great exterior features on this Honda Odyssey includes parking sensors on the front and rear bumper. You also get a hood deflector. We also get an added bonus of power sliding doors and a power liftgate along with a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button along with power sliding door buttons, which we will get to in just a moment. Now, taking a look inside the front first here, right up top, you have your power windows, locks and mirrors with some storage on the bottom. You do have your memory seating presets right next to the handle here. Some of the features you have next to the door handle includes your power liftgate. You have your parking assist where you can turn those sensors on and off. You can also open those rear doors here as well. Now, if we take a look inside, this Odyssey comes equipped with gray leather seating. On the bottom, you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. On the top, you do also have a power moonroof. Oh, now we have our key here. We're going to start this Honda Odyssey up. Now, on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition system. On the right side, you'll find your cruise control up top. You also have these arrows on the bottom. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display, where you can also see this Odyssey has 144,444 kilometers on it. Moving on to our display here, we're going to press OK with this little dial on the bottom. Right now, we are on the navigation map screen, where of course you can set your destination. You can navigate through the screen with these options on the bottom here. So for example, if we go into phone, you can connect your phone through Bluetooth. You do have your standard AM and FM option as well. And you can also see up here, you do have an option between USB and auxiliary. Now, if we go into reverse, that'll bring up the backup camera up for you. Putting that back into park, taking a look at the climate control, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. On the top left and right corner, you do also have your driver and passenger heated seats. Like I mentioned, this Honda Odyssey does have power sliding doors, so we're going to hold that button on the key fob on the left side there. If we sneak inside, we can see we are continuing with the gray leather seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, we have these little extra storage compartments, and these rear seats do fold down. There's a little handle on the bottom. You can pull that upwards for the rear seats to fold, giving you access to your third row seating. And lastly, if we take a look up top here, the rear passengers also have their own little screen here as well. So we can press that, and that will open for you. There you go. Taking a last look at our Honda Odyssey, once again, some of those great interior features includes your power moonroof, driver passenger heated seats, backup camera, and third row seating. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come down and take it for a test drive. We're located here to our northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around, and as always, drive safe.